In this video, I will show you how to create a cleaning company website in WordPress. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or already working freelancer, or you are someone who owns a cleaning company. You can follow this tutorial to create this kind of $3,000 worth of cleaning company website. To accomplish this, we will be using a theme called Clean You. This theme costs $39, but you can download a copy without license from the description of this video so that you can practice alongside watching this video. Here is the demo of what we are going to create. So right here you can see we have a home page, services page that contains further sub services pages, an about page, the team page that have further team single page, a project page that have further project details page, blog page, and the contact us page. So for this demo, have a look at this hero section. This is actually a slider. You can include as many slides as you want. After that, we have this about us section right here that has this contact us, that if you will click will take you to the contact page. Then we have this another vertical slider that I have used actually for the services. So for example, for the carpet cleaning and for the rug cleaning. And then we have another dedicated section for the additional services if your company providing more services. Then we have this fun factor or the number counter section that you can use to showcase different kind of data related to your company. After that, we have this work process section that you can use to showcase the work process. And then the most important part of this website, this get a quote form. This get a quote form, a very detailed form that any of the carpet cleaning website owner can be used to generate more leads for his companies. After that, we have this project section that you can use to showcase different kind of projects for projects of your cleaning company. And then we have this pricing plan section, and after that I have created this testimonial section that you can use to showcase your testimonial. And at the last, we have this blog section that you can use to showcase different kind of blogs on your website. Other than that, we have this standard footer right here. So make sure to keep watching this entire video till the end to never miss a thing. So without further ado, let's get started now. So for this video, we want to use this theme. You can get this theme from the envato-element.com. You will require an account on the envato-element.com. If you don't have an account and you need an account, I provide the Envato accounts on the share basis for about $6 or for $5. So if you need that account, leave me a message. You will find my details in the description of this video. So we will be using this theme that is called Clean You. You can download this theme if you have the subscription on the Envato Element account. So for now, I'll click on this download button and then I'll download this theme. So once you will download this theme, what you will have to do is to go back to your WordPress, and then you want to go back to the dashboard of your website, and then from here you will have to go to the appearance and themes. And from here you want to click on this add new button because we want to upload our theme. So you will have to click on upload theme and then click on choose file. And once you will click on this choose file, as I have already downloaded this theme right here, what I want to do is to first select this theme and then I'll click on install now button. As you can see, we have got this error that the package we are trying to install does not contain the style.css style sheet. So in that case, we'll have to first check that the theme file that we are trying to upload is a correct theme file. So for that, I'll go back and click on upload theme, and once again I'll click on this choose file. And then from here, this is the file that I want to upload. I'll click on this open button right here, and then from here you can see this is what we have. So once I'll double click here, you will see this is the theme file that we want to upload. We have this theme file and a child theme file. For this video, we'll be working mainly on this main theme file. So I'll extract this file to the desktop of my computer, and then I'll cross mark this, and then I'll go to desktop, and then from here I'll select this theme file, and then I'll click on install now button. And once I'll click on install now button, you will see that this theme is already starting to getting installed. Right here you can see we have now the option to activate this theme, so I'll simply click on this activate button right here, and now you can see that our theme is successfully installed in our WordPress website. Now the next thing that you want to do is to simply click on this option that says begin installing plugin. This theme requires following plugins, so we will need to install all of these plugins. So first of all, simply click on this begin installing plugins right here, and then select all of these plugins and click on install button, and then click apply. And once you will do that, all of these plugins will start getting installed. You might start getting some of these errors, so don't worry about that, and simply keep trying to install these plugins. So you will have to manually install all of these plugins if you will get that error, so don't worry about that. This may take some time, but this will actually work. So now the last plugin, I'll click on this install button, and now here you can see that this plugin is also installed. So now what I can do is to simply click on this activate button right here, and then if I hit apply, you can see all of these plugins get installed, but only this Elementor page builder is not getting installed. So for that, we'll have to go to this plugin section, and then from this plugin section we'll go to this add new button right here, and then from here we'll search for Elementor so that we can install the Elementor page builder ourselves. So I'll click on this install now button right here, and right here you can see that it is getting installed, and now we can simply activate the Elementor page builder as well. And now here you can see that we have Elementor page builder installed. This plugin is getting an update, so we'll simply update this plugin. So right here you can see that this plugin is updated as well. So for now, what you want to do is to go to this import demo data option right here, and once you will go there, you will see this button import demo data. Simply click on this import demo data button right here, and it will say before we import the demo, make sure you have all of these plugins installed. So we require WP Forms, all-in-one SEO, and the Monster Insight plugin as well. So we'll go back to the plugin section, and then we'll click on this add new, and then we will install WP Forms, all-in-one SEO, and the Monster Insight plugin. So once we'll install this plugin, I'll click on this install plugins option right here, and then I'll select these 3 plugins that we have just installed, and then I'll click on activate button, and then I'll hit apply. And once you will do that, all of these 3 plugins will get activated simultaneously. So for now, what I want to do is to go back to this appearance, import demo data button right here, and once you will go here, once again click on this import demo data, and now this time you won't see that option anymore. Simply click on continue and import, and once you will do that, the import process will begin, and then you will only have to wait until the import will get successfully imported. So right here you can see that our demo is completed successfully and our import is successful. So now what we can do is to simply click on this visit site button right here, and once you will do that, our demo, here you can see that how our demo is imported. So it is taking some time loading in all the images and all the other elements on the web page, but right here you can see that all of the elements are successfully imported. So let me show you now how you can edit or update any of these things on this theme. So for that, what you will have to do is to go back to the dashboard of our website. So we will begin by checking the permalink structures. That is the most important thing. So for that, go to this settings and check for permalinks, and then in here make sure you have this post name instead of this plain permalink structure. So make sure you select this post name and then hit save changes, and once you will do that, After that, what you want to do is to go to this readings option, and then from here make sure you have one of these home page selected as the home page or the front page. After that, hit save changes. So after that, let's see that how you can edit any of the element on the website. So we will begin by editing the header and uploading our own logo on the website. So for that, go to the front end of our website, and then from here you will simply have to click on this customize button right here. And once you will click on this customize button, this customizer will get loaded, and then from here you will have to click on this header options button right here. And in here you will see this option that will say upload header logo dark and upload header logo light. So you will have to simply add two different versions of your logo. I have the dark version of my logo, so I'll simply click on this upload button, and then I'll upload the logo version that I have. So I'll simply upload the logo, and then I'll click select button. And once I'll click on select button, here you can see here we have our logo appearing just like this. And then after that, we have this option to change the working hours. So you can change the working hours from 8 AM to something like 9 AM to 6 PM. So I'll make it 9 AM to 6 PM. And after that, here you can type in your email address. So I'll type in support@cleaningcompany.com. So you can change your email address just like this. And after that, you can insert your Facebook page URL right here. You can insert your Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Dribble, and all the other social media platforms URLs right here. After that, you have this option to insert your phone number here as well. You can type in your phone number right here as well. So once that is done, I'll go back and then I'll hit publish. And once you will hit publish, your changes will get updated. After that, we have this option to edit the footer as well. So I'll simply click on this footer options right here. And then in here you will see that we have all of these options available right here. One of these options is this copyright option, so you can edit the copyright options. For that, what you will have to do is to simply change this text to something like copyright 2023, all right reserved by, I do not want this attribute right here. I want to type in my website name, so I'll name it as cleaning company. Once that is done, what you will have to do again is to simply hit publish, and right here you will see that this will get updated. So once that is done, go back, and if you want to edit any of these options right here, simply click on this small pencil icon, or what you can do is to go to this widget option right here, and then in here you will see these four options: footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 2, 3, and 4. If I'll click on this footer sidebar 1 and I'll click on this got it, here you can see right here there is our image. This is white, that is why you cannot see it, but let me just change this. So for that, you will simply have to click on this replace and then click on open media library, and then from here, if I'll choose one of these images, so maybe like this image right here, if I'll use one, choose this image right here, you can see this will appear just like this. And after that, I want to change it back to how it was before, or maybe I can use the logo that we have just uploaded. This is not a transparent logo, so it will look something like this. So we don't have to worry about this anyway. This is looking just fine. After that, if you want, you can keep this text, or if you want, you can keep this newsletter sign up form as well. I do not want the newsletter sign up form, so I'll remove this from here. Also, I do not want this additional text right here, so I'll get rid of this text from here as well. Once that is done, you will notice that both of these options will be removed from here. Now what you will have to do is to go back, and in here you have the option for the footer sidebar 2. Once you will click on this footer sidebar 2, here you will see the quick links option. The color of the quick link is white, that is why you cannot see it actually, but right here you can see all of these options for the projects, contact us, teams, company history, and the feature. You can change all of these options by simply clicking here. This is actually the navigation menu. So in order to edit that, you will have to go back here, and then you will have to head to appearance and menus. And once you will do that, right here you will see all of these menus that are created What we are actually interested in is called footer menu. So select that menu, and here you will see these three options. There might be another menu that is called quick links. So select this quick links menu, and right here you will see all of these pages that are actually showing right here. You can edit or add more menu items here, or if you want to remove one of those items, simply choose one of these options and hit remove, and it will get removed from here. And once you will save menu, and if I go to the front end of the website, and if we go to the footer right here, you can see that option is no longer available here. In the same fashion, we have this services menu right here. If I click here, right here you can see we have this menu that says services menu. We can edit all of these options as well. In order to edit this fourth column or the final column right here, what you will have to do is to head back to the widgets and then click on footer sidebar, and in here you will see all of these options. So this has a div class of address, and we have this all long spacing right here, and then we have this address going on like this address right here. And then after that we have this class icon right here. This is the icon, and here you will see the opening hours. So this opening hours right here, and in here you can change the timing to 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. again. So I'll make it 9 a.m. to the 6 p.m. again. In the same way, if I'll scroll down, you will see this icon for the phone, and right here you can change the phone number as well. So I am not changing the phone number for now. I'll keep it just the way it is. What also I want to do, I want to change this logo image that we have added to something else that was already there. Or if you want to resize these images, use these options right here. Move it up to lower the size of your logo, and then you will see that this logo size will get smaller right here. And now I'll hit publish right here, and now you will see that this image is now smaller. If you want to use a transparent logo for your website, you can use this website that is called remove.bg. Here what you will have to do is to simply upload your image that you want to have a transparent background. So I'll upload this logo image right here, and once you will upload that, this will automatically remove the background, and then you can simply download this image. Now I have downloaded this image right here. I'll go back to this customizer, I'll click on this logo, and then I'll hit replace, and then I'll hit upload button, and then from the downloads I can choose this new logo that have a transparent background. And now here you can see we have this image with a transparent background. I wanna make the size of this logo a bit smaller. So right here you can see we have this logo with a smaller height, just like this. You can also adjust the width of this logo as well. So for now I'm just changing the height of this logo, and after that hit publish right here, and in this way you can edit the header and footer of your website. Alright, so let's now move forward. One last thing that I want to tell you in this customizer is that if you want to change, or you will definitely want to change the title of your website to the name of your company, for that simply click on this site identity option right here, and in here you will see this option that will say site title. So type in your company name here. I'll type in cleaning company, and right below here you can insert the tagline for your company. I'll keep it blank for now, and this title will appear right here, and this is very good for the SEO purposes. You should include the tagline as well. For now I want to keep the fav icon or the site icon as well, so that we don't have this default WordPress icon here, and I want to change it to the logo of our website. So I'll select the logo and I'll click skip cropping, and then I'll hit publish right here, and then I will close this customizer, and now here you will see we have a different image showing up right here. Alright, so now we have the header and footer set it up. Let's talk about these navigation items. So I want to keep, so this theme first of all comes with multiple pages. If you want, you can choose the one pager, or if you want, you can choose the multiple pages as well. This is not an affiliated video, and I'm not getting paid for this video. So I'm just walking you through all the options that are available in this theme. So for this home, we have this multiple options right here. This is the home version 1. You can check the home version 2 as well. In the home version 2, you have this kind of clean layout, and in here you will see the phone number that we saw in the customizer. So this is the layout for the home version 2. And then home 3 as well. We have actually 6 versions of the home page. So this is the home version 3, where we have this lead generation form right at the top. And then we have all of these sections right underneath of that hero section. After that, let's check the home version 4. So in the home version 4, you have this kind of cleaning company layout. So these are actually the different kind of layouts that you can choose from, whichever is suitable for you. This is home version 5, where you have this lead generation form at the bottom of your hero section, and then you have a rest of these sections. And then you have this home version 6, where you have, I think, a slider here. No, this is not a slider, this is a static image. And then you have this appointment booking form right here, and then rest of these sections right there. So I want to keep this home 1 as a like this animation with the bubbles right here, and we have this slider. I'll show you that how you can edit this slider in a moment, but I like this version, so we'll be moving forward with this version. Furthermore, I'll also be telling you that how you can add a more detailed booking form for your cleaning company website. By the way, if you need a cleaning company website and you are having difficulty to hire someone to create your website, you can leave me the message on my WhatsApp or through my email, and I'll create your website in the record time. So we'll be moving forward with this template right here, and I'll be walking you through with a detailed or more specific booking form other than this form right here. Furthermore, if you need a pricing calculator, I can create the pricing calculator for the cleaning companies as well. So you will have to provide me details about that. Alright, so we are decided that we are going forward with the home version 1, and then for the inner pages we have this about us page. So we'll take the about us page, we want to take the team page and the team single page as well. We want to take the contact us page as well, and then I think if you want to keep the projects, you can keep the projects as well. So we'll keeping the projects as well, and for these projects we'll have the more detailed project page or as an inner page as well. Then we have this services page as well, where you can list different kind of services, and I'll be showing you that how you can list the different kind of services to this page as well. Other than that, we have this blog page and then the contact page. So let's just clean out all of these template options that we have available. Don't worry about this, this has redirected us to their theme website. This is not our website, and this is actually the website that we are creating. So we are working on this website. So I'm going back to this menu option right here. First of all, I want to go to the pages, and then from here I want to decide what pages I want to keep. So for the home page, I want to keep this home 1. So from this all the available pages, I'll have to remove all the remaining pages other than home 1. So I'll get rid of other pages, that includes the home version. So I have selected these pages, and then I'll click on move to trash, and then I'll hit apply, and right here you can see those pages are now moved to the trash. Now we have our home page as home 1. What I want to do is to change its permalink. So I'll click on this quick edit, and instead of home 1 I want to label it as home. So I'll choose this home, and then I'll hit update button right here, and now this page is home instead of home 1. So now if I refresh this, right here you can see now we have home. So that is what the title of the page. So after that, what I want to do is to choose these pages, and I want to keep the about, team single, and contact us. I want to remove the error page as well. I do not want to keep the sample page, and I want to keep team details. I do not want to keep the test page and this test page, so I will move this page to the trash. So I have moved this page to the trash. So for now we have this about us, blog, contact us, electrician, the error page. I do not want to keep this, so I'll trash this page. And we have this garden cleaning, home, kitchen cleaning, privacy policy, projects, service one. So we'll have to decide which service page we want to keep. So we have two versions of the services page. First version is this version, and the second version is this version. So I want to keep this second version. I will remove the service one. So I'll get rid of this page. And then from here I want to find this service 2, and just like we did with the home page, I want to retitle this page. So instead of this service 2, I want to make this only as services, and then I'll hit update. So now we have about, blog, contact, and these services pages, home, privacy policy, projects, service main page, and team details page. And now we have a total of 12 items right there in the pages. Now what I want to do is to update our navigation menu so that all of those pages that we have removed should be removed from this navigation menu. So for that, what I want to do is to go to this appearance and then go to this menus option right here, and then from here, from this menu options right here, click on this primary menu and click select. And once you will do that, here you will notice that all the pages that we have removed are now red marked. So simply remove all of these pages just like I am doing. So I'll remove these pages, and I want to make this home as the main page, and then I want to get rid of these versions as well. I want to remove this anchor links as well. These are actually the blank links, not doing anything here. And then after that I want to keep the services actually, so I'll keep these services right here, and I'll get rid of this option right here, and then this service details, I'll add this. For now I'll add this right here, and then I want to have an about us page, and then a teams page, and then we can have a team singles page right here, and then we will have this contact us page. Then we also need this projects page as well. After that we can keep the blog page, and at the last we actually have the contact us page right here. So I want to get rid of these pages, custom links that you are seeing here, so we do not need them. So for the main blog, this is not actually the blog page, this is actually the custom link, and this one is redirecting to the theme author website. So I want to remove this one as well, and I want to remove this as well. Now from these pages I'll click on this view all, and then from here I want to choose this blog page, and then I'll click on add to menu. This is actually the blog page, so I'll move this to the top, and then I want to get rid of one of these contact page, so I'll keep the contact us and remove the contact. And then from here you will see these projects, so I'll move the projects at the top and the project details at the bottom, and then I'll get rid of this custom link right here. So right here I am ensuring that we do not have any custom links right here, and then I'll simply click on save menu. And once we'll do that, and now if we go back here and if I refresh this one, right here you can see all of the pages that we have added in the navigation menu are actually appearing right here. Alright, so let's see now that how you can edit these pages right here. So in order to edit these pages, what you will have to do is to go back to the dashboard and then go to this pages option right here. And then from here, all the pages that we have right now, we are about to use these pages. So for now, we will begin by editing this home page. As you can see, this page is using the Elementor page builder. So simply click on this edit with Elementor button right here. And once you will click on edit with Elementor, this Elementor page builder will start loading, and soon your website will be loaded inside the Elementor page builder. So this theme is built using the Elementor page builder. Elementor page builder is an intuitive, easy to use page builder that you can easily use to create any kind of website. So from here you will see these handles, these blue handles. If you will click on this, you will see different options, and this indicates that what widget this area is using. So this is actually a slider. So right here you will see this is a slider, and if I'll choose this one, you will see this is an about content widget. So these options vary from widget to widget, so you will actually have to check that what widget you are using and whether or not what options are actually available. So right here you will see that we have a slider style 1, and right here you can see that we have this title. So the first slide have a title of disinfecting and deodorizing spray services. I want to change this one to something like home cleaning and maintenance services. Cleaning company in New York. So in this way you can change this title, small title, and this big title, and then you have this book a schedule button. You can also add a YouTube video link if you want. If you do not want to add any video links, simply remove this video link from here and that video symbol will be gone. For now I want to keep that video link right here, so let's just keep it just the way it is. And then in here you can change this button URL. We'll be changing this button URL in a few minutes when we will create a appointment booking page. So I want to keep this empty for now, and I want to keep this book a schedule button, and then I will choose the other slide. So this other slide right here have this option. So I made this one home cleaning and maintenance, and now this time I want to use a different kind of title for this slide. So for this slide maybe I can use affordable cleaning services avail extra discount on subscriptions. And right here you can change these images as well. For that you will simply click on image, and then this media library will get loaded, and from here you can choose any of these images. For now I'll keep the image that came with the demo. I'm comfortable with that image, so I'll remove that button URL from here. And right here you can see that we have modified this title, and now we have this different title on these sliders. Alright, so next up we have this other section. So in this section right here we have this image, we have these two images actually here. For that, if you want, you can choose different style. You can choose style 2, where you have this images looking like this, or if you want you can choose style 3, where you have like a comparison before and after photos. If you want, you can choose style 4, where you have images like this. But I want to keep the style 1. That was fine because it is matching with the color scheme of the website, so I'll keep this images. In the same way, in order to edit or change any of these images, simply click on the image and then upload your own image and choose that image by clicking insert media. So for example, if I choose one of these images right here, for example this image, and then if I click insert media right here, you can see that this image is now changed. So I'll revert back the changes, and in order to change these headings in the same way, what you will have to do is to change these text options right here, and they will get updated simply. For this contact us button, you can change these details. For the button URL for the contact page, I want to make this one as the contact, and then from here I'll choose the contact us, and then I will remove the domain part and I'll only keep the page URL. And then for the free estimate, you can add your own phone number right here. After that, we have this third section. So in this third section, this is the services section right here. So in order to edit this services section, you will have to click on this set services content, and this is set it up as style number 2, and in here you have this option cleaning, commercial cleaning and the residential cleaning. You can edit and change any of these options right here. These are actually the different kind of services that they are providing. So for now, for example, I want to edit this one as carpet cleaning service. So I will change this title to carpet cleaning, and right here you can see it is carpet cleaning, and then I can add some content. So in this content part, I can add my content. So here you can see we have our content, and you can also change one time or recurring here as the title as well. After that, you have all of these options that are appearing right here. You can change or edit this option, and then you can change this option right here as well. Change this image. You can change the discount if you are providing. If you are not providing any discount, just remove this part from here. In the same way, for the free estimate, I'll remove this button URL. For the residential cleaning, I want to change this residential cleaning to the rug cleaning. So I'll change this title to the rug cleaning, and now you can see we have this rug cleaning right here. And then I want to change some of the content here. So I'll update this content and I'll change this content. And then you can also change these bullet points and they will be reflected in this area right here. I want to get rid of this button URL, so I'll get rid of this button URL, and in here now there is no any button URL. So right next here we have this different kind of cleaning services that we are providing. You can always change these services to the different kind of cleaning services that you are providing. For now, I'm not going to touch this one. We'll just simply move forward. So right here you can see we have this option right here, the number counter actually, or you can see fun factor. That can be anything. You can change this title to something like house is cleaned, and then you can change these numbers and this sign. You can do the same thing with these two options, and then you can change this image and this background image right here. After that, you have this work process section. If you want, you can keep this work process section. If you don't want, you can simply delete this by simply clicking on this cross icon right here. This will delete the section. So if I'll click here, right here, you can see the section is deleted, but I want to keep that section, so I'll revert back that change. Once that is done, I'll update this one, and now we have this request a quote section. As I told you that for this video, I'll be showing you that how you can create a more detailed request a quote form. So let's just see that how you can create a more detailed request a quote form for your cleaning company website. So what you will have to do is to go back to the dashboard of your website, and once you are here in the dashboard of your website, click on this plugins section right here, and then click on this add new button. For all the forms on the website, I always prefer Fluent Forms because it provides you the statistics of all the forms, that how many hits your forms have gotten and how many submissions and what is the conversion on your form. So that is why I always prefer the Fluent form. So I'll simply install and activate this Fluent form, and right here you will see this option, Fluent forms. Simply click on this Fluent forms option right here, and then click on this add a new form, and then select a blank form, and you will see this form right here. Now what we'll have to do is to simply start inserting all the fields that we want to insert in our appointment booking form. By default we have this name, email, phone, and this choose subject field that is not relevant actually. So we wanna create our own form. So for that, what I want to do is to first of all have a name field, and inside the name field I only want to have one name field. So I'll make this one as name instead of first name, and I'll make this required. This form is going to act like a lead generation form to collect the leads from the visitors that are coming or that will come to our website. So after the name, what we need is to have an email address field. So simply select an email address field and hide that label and mark it as required. After that, we want to have one more field, and that is going to act as an phone number field. So I'll make this one as phone number field, and I'll hide its label as well, and I'll insert the same phone number into the placeholder, and I'll once again mark this one as required field. After that, what I want to do is to insert some of these multiple choices, or we can use the drop down. I think the multiple choices works best for the cleaning company, because customer will then have the option to select the multiple choices. So I will label this one as type of services, and then in here we can insert the different kind of services that you are offering. So for now I'll simply insert 5 or 6 different kind of cleaning services that are generally offered by cleaning companies. So I'm just copying and pasting some of these different kind of services. You can do the same thing. You can type in your services that you want to include, so don't worry about that. Simply keep filling all these details the way I am doing. So for now I have 1 2 3 4 5. I want to include one more service here, and I'll include that service right here. So this one right here is the type of service that we are actually offering, and for the max selection we can give them an option, or we can keep it blank. I think this type of service is this type of field is not visually appealing, so maybe we can choose this checkboxes option instead of these multiple choices. I will change its label to this type of services, and then we can once again copy these data from here, and I can paste that data right here in the different kind of options that we are giving to our visitor in order to select from the different kind of cleaning services that we are providing to them, so that they can fill out all of these details and we can easily get those leads that can become the customers for our cleaning company. So I'm gonna copy these details and I am quickly filling out these details. So this one right here, mold redemption, I'll paste this one right here, and then I want to get rid of this option right here because this is not necessary. So we have this field, checkbox field right here, and I want to make this one required as well. And after that, what I want to do is to go to the advanced option, and then from here in the layout tab, I want to make this as the 2-column layout, so that we have this 2-column layout for this option right here. After that, what I want is to insert one more field, and in this field I want to type in area of cleaning. That can be anything. That is the area that they generally want to clean. That can be any number that they generally have in square feet or any other parameter that they generally used. So I want to hide this label from here. I want to add this into the placeholder, and then instead of this submit form, I want to make this only as submit. And then after that I want to insert one more field, and here I want to add date for cleaning, and I want to make this as placeholder as well. And then I want to insert one more field, and in here I want to insert best time for availability. Alright, I can change this one to best time for cleaning, best date for cleaning, sorry, my mistake. So best date for cleaning here. So now we have these details right here. I will drag this one right here, best date for cleaning right below, and best time right here. And now we have our form created just like this, and I'll hit save form right here, and now our form is saved. Now we have this form created. I want to change its name to lead generation form, and then I'll hit rename, and now this form is renamed to lead generation form. After that you want to go to settings and integration, and in here you want to make sure that you have after form submission set as reset form. And if you want to have a custom confirmation success message, you can type in here. If you want to redirect them to a thank you page, create a thank you page and select the thank you page from here. And if you want to redirect them to any other URL other than your website, select this option and enter that URL right here. Other than that, you can set up the email notifications. I already have videos on this on my channel. I'm not going into very details here, so check the Fluent Form videos on my channel. You will definitely see that how you can set up these email notifications using the Fluent Forms. I will even drop the link of them in the description of this video. Alright, so now we have this lead generation form created. I'll go back to the website that we are editing, or the page that we are editing, and then I'll hit refresh. So now I will scroll down right here where we have this estimation form. So if I click here, you can see this is an appointment form, but this is actually using the contact form 7. Here you can see this is using the contact form 7. Let's try to insert our shortcode that we have created. We'll be using the Fluent Form ID. So I'll simply copy this, and then I will insert that shortcode right here. So right here you can see we have our form looking like this, but for some reason it is not giving us the submit message. So I'll have to go back, and instead of using this widget, what I will do is to simply insert the Fluent Form widget here right at the top of this, and then from here I'll choose the lead generation form. And then from the lead generation form, what we can do is to go to the advanced panel of this, or maybe actually get rid of this thing from here, and then from here we can go to this advanced option, and then for the background we can click on this classic, and we want to make this one as the white background. And then from the layout option, we want to have a padding of about 40 or maybe like 50 pixels, and then we want to insert a border radius of about 20 pixels. That is fine. Alright, now we have our form appearing just like this. I want to go to this style tab right here, and then from this input and text area, I want to have a border radius of 40 pixels, and then this one actually looks fine. If you want to change the typography options, you can simply change them here. So for that you can change the font sizes to 16 or maybe like 18 pixels, And then these are actually the checkboxes. So radio and the checkboxes, you can actually stylize them if you want, but I actually like them just the way they are looking. I only want to edit this submit button right here, but I require the color code for this yellow color that they are using. So for that, I'll use this color picker extension. This is called the Colorzilla. This is a free extension. So I'll select this color, I'll copy this color code, and then in here I'll go back, and then for the submit button, instead of blue background, I'll make this one as a yellow background, and then I'll increase its width to something like 250, or we can, yeah, 250 is fine, or we can actually make it 300 pixels. All right, after that we need to add a border radius of the 40 pixels, just like we added for all of those fields, and then we can add some padding for the button. So for the button at the top, I want to have 15 pixels, and for the bottom I want to have 15 pixels as well. For the left and right, it is automatically adjusted by the width. And then for the typography, I want to increase the font size to 18 pixels so that our button become visible for the people. So right here we can see that we have a completely customized quotation mark, or the lead generation form appearing right here. For the labels, we can display the labels, and we can also insert the custom title and the description. So for the title, what we can do is to insert our own title. So here we can type in book an appointment, and this title will appear right here. And in here we can type in the description. So fill in the form below to get the quote for your cleaning services. I think this title should be get a quote now. So a strong call to action is very important when we talk about the lead generation. So right here we made this one as get a quote now, and now this looks quite better. The only thing that I want to do, if possible, I want to change the title color to the blue color that we have in the background. So I'll get that color code, and then I'll go to the style set options, and then I'll insert that color code right here. So in this way you can edit this option, and then we have this project section right here. You can edit this section in the same way we edited the above sections that I showed you in a moment before. Also right here you have this option to change the project content. So you can choose between the styles. We have style 1, which is like this, and we have style 2. Style 2 is more suitable, so let's choose the style 2, and you can also choose your own custom shape for this title and the description. Here we have this bedroom cleaning. This is actually the project area. You can fill in your own images, and you can type in the title and a description, and then you can create a new page for the project and insert the URL of that page right here. Alright, down here we have our pricing section. So for the pricing section, simply click on the pricing section, and in here you will see all of these options that we have here. So set pricing content, here we have this residential, and right here you can check the price, and you can type in all the features that you are providing, and you can do the same thing for the commercial and the resort as well. This one down here we have the testimonial section. You can type in your testimonial content from here, and you have 2 different styles available here. I want to keep the style 1, that is good. And at the bottom we have this blog section right here. I'll show you in a moment that how you can edit and add the blog yourself, and I'll also show you that if and how you can create the services pages for the different kind of services. So let's just update this one now, and right here you can see this is updated, and this page should be responsive as well. So here you can see that this is how this website is looking on the mobile devices, and you can see that this website is completely responsive, and you can easily access this website using any of the mobile devices. The only problem is that the form that we have added is not responsive, so we'll have to make it responsive. So I'll make this one as 20 pixels of padding, and this submit button is very big here. So for the submit button we'll have to go back, and here I'll make this one as 200 or maybe like 250 pixels, and 250 pixels is fine. Alright, so down in the bottom you have this pricing sections and the about page, testimonial, and then the blog page, and then we have this footer right here. So this website is responsive as well. So for now I'll simply update this, and now our home page for our cleaning company is almost ready. Alright, next let's see that how you can edit these services pages right here, and what is the use of these service details pages that I have kept right here. So for the services pages, in order to edit them, go back to the dashboard of your website right here, and then head towards the pages section. And once you will go here towards the pages section, this one right here, you can see we already have this kitchen cleaning and this garden cleaning page, electrician page as well. We have these different kind of pages created already. We can use these pre-built pages that are already there, but I think the best way is to let me show you that how you can edit these pages yourself. So this services page, service page, or the services page is actually a page that is going to be a comprehensive page for all of the services that your cleaning company offer. So those services can be the carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, water damage or mattress cleaning, or air duct cleaning, or mold remediation, or wood floor finishing, or any kind of that kind of services. That can be any kind of services. So let me show you that how you can edit these pages. So as you can see that I have already opened this page in the Elementor page builder. This part right here is only editable through the customizer. So in order to edit this image from here, what you will have to do is go back to the front end of your website, and then you will have to click on this customize button. And once you will click on this customize button, that customizer we saw before will load in again. And then from here, what you will have to do is to simply click on this general options right here, and then from here you will see this option, upload breadcrumb image. From here, if you will change this image by clicking on this upload button, you can choose any of these images available right here. So let's just use one of these images. Maybe let's use this image and select that image. So now if I go to this service page right here, I think I'll have to publish these changes right here, and then I can actually change the fav icon here as well. So you'll have to simply update these changes, and now let's see that how this image will get changed. But I think this image will not look good, so we'll have to use a different kind of image. So maybe this image might work. So I'll select that image, and then I will hit publish. So now let's check that how this will work. So for that, I'll go back to the front end of our website, and then from here, if I go back to the services right here, you can see that the image that we have updated is actually showing right here. So this is how you can change this image that you are seeing in this area. So right here you can see we have updated this image. I am back into the Elementor page builder. So this is the section that you can use to display different kind of your services. So in order to display your services, simply click one of these options that is saying house cleaning. I can make this one as carpet cleaning, and then you can add additional text regarding this service right here. You can choose different icons from here. There are different kind of icons available here as well, and these are from the flat icons. You can choose your own custom icon as well, or you can choose icon images. I'm not going to change these icons, so I'll keep these one as just the way they are. And I want to change this one from window cleaning to rug cleaning. And then in here, right here, I want to make this one as water damage repair. And for this one, I want to make this one as mattress cleaning. Mattress cleaning. And in the same way, we can update these services as well. So in order to update these services, I want to make this one as mold remediation. And this last one, I want to make this one as sanitizing and disinfecting. Alright, I have updated these services right here, and then down here, this is again the how it works section that I showed you on the home page, that how you can edit that. And again, this section, we have created this section on the home page. This is again the pricing policy. So let's just update this lead generation form from the home page that we have created. So for that, I'll go back to the home page, and then from here I'll have to once again click on edit with elementor button right here. And once the elementor page builder will get loaded, what I'll have to do is to simply copy this form that we have created. I'll copy this form, I'll go back to the services page, and then by clicking here, I can click on this paste button, and then I want to get rid of this form here. So down here you can see that we have our form updated. So in this way you can update this form on any of the pages on this cleaning company website. So in the same way you can add as many services as you want. In order to add more services, simply click on this add new button, type in the service name, so maybe like tile or grout cleaning, and then we can copy some lorem ipsum, and then I can insert that as a content, and then I can choose one of these icons that are already available right here. So in this way you can add as many services as you want, and they will appear just like this. So I'll update this one, and now I'll go back. So this is just updating, so we'll have to wait. Now this is updated. I'll click exit, and now we are back to the services page. Now I'll click on this all pages. I'll only create one service page here so that I can show you that how you can create other services pages. So we'll actually have to check that page. So services, service details, this is actually the kitchen cleaning page. I can confirm it from here, and then I can confirm it from here. So I'll have to head back to the pages, and then the kitchen cleaning page, I can click on first of all quick edit, and then I can change it to the title of our service. So for this one, I'll create the page for the carpet cleaning. So I'll make this one as carpet cleaning, and then for the slug I want to change this one to carpet cleaning as well, and then I'll hit update. Alright, so here you can see that we have this carpet cleaning, and now I can click on edit with elementor button, and in here you will see that we have this option available right here. We can always change this image by clicking here, and then you can choose your own image, and then you can also change all of these different details right here. So I want to change this title to professional carpet cleaning service, and then I want to add some content here. I'll update this content, and then I want to add more content here. So maybe like let's just keep these things, and I want to duplicate actually this title that we have, and I want to bring it down, and I want to reduce the font size to 24 pixels, and then I want to change this title to an H3, and then I can add more content. And in this way you can simply duplicate these titles, duplicate this paragraph, and then you can arrange this paragraph, and you can keep adding your own content any ways that you want. So I am just quickly adding some of these content just to demonstrate you that how you can edit and update this option. So for example, let's say I have this page updated now. For the popular services, these are going to be the internal links for your website. These are very good for the SEO purposes and can be useful to rank your website in the search results. So now we don't have a kitchen cleaning, so I'll actually have to check the services that I listed. So I'll go to the services page, and from here I'll copy this carpet cleaning and I'll paste this one here. I'll get rid of this link from here, and for the next service I want to copy this window damage repair and I want to paste this one here. And in this way you can add any number of services as you want here, and then you will make sure you can insert the services link here so that there will be an internal linking within the services pages so that people can navigate from one service page to another service page on your website. So in order to update this option right here, these are actually the widgets. So for that you will have to go back to the dashboard of your website, and then from here go to the widgets, and then in the widgets you will actually have to find a sidebar. So this is a blog sidebar and this is a services sidebar. So we are looking at the services sidebar. In the services sidebar, these are the brochure options. If you want to keep them, just keep the brochure option, and then simply replace the URL of your brochures. And if you want to remove these brochures, simply click this icon and then click remove legacy widget, and it will remove that brochure. I'll hit update because I want to keep this sidebar that we have, and I already have updated this carpet cleaning page. Alright, so let me show you how it is looking. Now if I hover over these services, here you can see we have this service details option, but let me show you how you will have to insert this services page to this page so that whenever someone click on this carpet cleaning, so we'll actually have to go to this menus because this is still showing the service details and this is not a service detail but a carpet cleaning page. So I am back to this menus and I'll have to change this label to carpet cleaning, and I'll hit save menu. Now I'm back here. If I refresh this, here you can see now we have carpet cleaning. Alright, so let's just insert this carpet cleaning link to the services page. So here I am on the services page. I'll click on edit with elementor button right here, and then from here in the carpet cleaning I'll click here, and instead of this URL I wanna search for carpet cleaning. So once I'll type in carpet, here you can see it is already suggesting that we have a page name as carpet cleaning. I want to keep this page, and then whenever someone will click on this carpet cleaning, they will actually be redirected to our carpet cleaning page on the website. So if I click on this services, and now if I click on this carpet cleaning, here you can see we are redirected to the carpet cleaning page. So in the same fashion, you can create the pages for the other kind of services, and then you can insert the links of those services here, and then for them you will have to go to the menus, and then from here you will have to select those pages and you will have to insert those pages right here so that people can navigate using those pages and people can navigate on different pages on your website. So for example, I have one more service page here, but having a different title, that is electrician. So I'll add it to the menu and I'll make this one as the drop down, and I'll change this navigation label to the water damage repair, and then I'll save menu. Now if I go back here and if I refresh this one, right here you can see we now have two different services options available right here. So in this way you can add as many services as you want, and then you can link the main service page to different kind of services pages that you want. And good thing is these pages are good for the SEO because they have that internal linking already attached with that pages. So the website that we are creating actually have a lot many features. This is a responsive website, very good for the SEO. It is optimized for already for the SEO purposes. You will only have to do a very little work for the SEO, and then it has all the different sections that any of the cleaning company would ever require. The only advanced function it is missing is a pricing calculator, but that is actually an advanced feature that you will actually need to put an effort on. Other than that, I already included this detailed quote form so that people can send their quote and send their details to find the quote from you. So let's just see now that how you can update this about us page. For that, simply click on this about us. Here you can see that here is our page title, and here is the breadcrumb. This breadcrumb is very good for the SEO again. So in order to edit this about page, most of these sections are the same that we have on the home page. You will only have to click on this edit with elementor here instead of going back to the dashboard. So I clicked on edit with elementor. So right here you can see this page is open inside the elementor page builder. So from here you can change these images from here, and then by clicking here you can change it to a different content, and you can add your own content. You can update this phone number, and you can also update this contact us page as well. That is completely as I showed you on the home page. So I'm not going to do anything on this page, so I'll go back to the home page, and next up we have this team page. So for the team page, just like we did for the services, we have main team page, and then we have one additional dedicated page for each of these team members. So whenever someone will click on, for example, this Anna Green, they'll be redirected to a new page labeled as Anna Green right here, as you can see this page. So let me just show you. So I'll open both of these pages right next to each other, and then for the main page I'll click on edit with elementor button right here, so that I can show you that how you can edit this page and how you can add your own team members. One important thing that you will have to keep in mind is that make sure you use the exact same dimension for the images for all of the team members. Only then it will look good. If you will use an irregular dimension for the team members, this section will not look good, because this is kind of like a grid layout that requires the equal dimensions. So for the Anna Green, you can change the title of your team member, you can change its designation, you can also change its image, and then here is where you can insert the URL of the additional page for the team member that you will create. So for example, this team detail page, we have this Munia Anchor. I do not want to keep the Munia Anchor. I want to change it to Anna Green. So I'll copy this and I'll click on this edit page right here, and then in here, instead of team details, I want to name this one as Anna Green, and for this URL part I want to change this to Anna Green. Make sure you type in small alphabets here, and you do not want to include big alphabets here actually. So after that, simply click on update here, and now it says that our permalink structure is changed. I know that it is changed, so I'll once again click on update, and now I'll have to simply refresh this page. And now if I click here, if I go here in the Anna Green, and then in the team single URL I can change it to Anna Green because I have renamed that page to the Anna Green. And now I can update this. And now if we open this page, that's how it is looking. So for the teams, if I click on this Anna Green right here, you will see that it has its own dedicated page. You might be confused here, so let me click on this edit with Elementor and let me change the title of this to something else. So instead of Munia Anchor, I want to make it to Anna Green, and we can also change the image as well. So let's just select the image of the Anna Green. Here is the image, so I'll insert this image. Here is the Anna Green's image. I'll update this image. You can type in the expertise of Anna Green as well, and you can fill out all of these details and you can change these details right here. Alright, here you can insert its Facebook, Twitter and social media URLs, and here the other content that you are seeing right here. I'll simply hit update right here, and now if I go here and if I refresh this one again, and if I click on this Anna Green, now you can see it is redirecting to the Anna Green. So in this way you can create the pages for the team members, and then you can link those pages in this parent team member page, just like the way we do on the services pages. Next up we have this projects page. So if I'll click on this projects page, you will notice the same thing happening as what was happening with the services page and the teams page. For the projects page, we have this gallery kind of layout, and we have this title here, the house cleaning project, furniture cleaning, door cleaning, garden cleaning and the bedroom cleaning. If I'll click garden cleaning, it will redirect me to another page, a sub page or a child page of the garden cleaning. The scenario here is that they have created an additional page for the said door cleaning, and they have inserted that link in the door cleaning so that whenever someone will enter the link for the door cleaning, they will be redirected to a new page, that is a portfolio or the project page for the door cleaning. So let's see how it is happening in the backend. So I am going back to the dashboard of our website, and here in the pages section, here we'll have to actually find the projects inner page. So here we have the main project page, and we do not actually have the project inner page. So let's see the trash page if I accidentally removed that page. So we have this services one, test and test. So we do not actually have that page, so it is not actually that difficult. So what we'll have to do is to simply edit this page. So for that, simply click on edit with the Elementor button right here, and then if you will click here you will see project content, and down here you can change all of these images. Change this URL or remove this URL until you will create the inner section. I'm not going in details that how you can create the inner pages. I already explained you that how you can create all of those pages. So I'll simply hit update button right here, and now if we go back, these things are no longer editable, clickable. So even if I click here, it doesn't take me to any of other pages. I'm still on the same page. Next up we have this blog page. So if you want to add the blog post on your website, this is where your blog post will be displayed. So in order to add the blog post, what you will have to do is to go back to the dashboard of your website, and once you are here in the dashboard, what you want to do is to head to the post section, and in here you can type in your own blog post. So let me show you that how you can add your own blog post. So for that, simply click on this add new button right here, and in here you have the option to add the title for your blog post. So here I'll add one of the title for the blog post, and then after that you will have to add the content for your blog post. So I'll just simply add a dummy content for the blog post. So here you can see I have added this dummy content for the blog post, and I want to get rid of these URLs that you are seeing. Blog posts are very important. They play a very major role in the SEO ranking and other factors. So make sure for any kind of website that you are creating, you should always have a blog page on your website. So once you have this blog post added, simply click categories and you can choose one of these categories, or you can add your own category here. Then you can assign the tags to this category. So maybe I'll use one of these tags, and after that you have option to select the featured image. So select one featured image. I'll choose one of these images that are already uploaded. So I'll make this one as featured image, and after that hit publish. And now if you will click on this view post, this is how your blog post will appear. Now on the blog page, this post should automatically be added on the blog page as well, and this post should automatically be added on the home page blog section as well. And here in the recent post section, it will show you the recent post, and in the recent comments it will show you recent comments. You can remove any of these elements from here as well. The last page is the contact us page. So on the contact us page, you can actually add your own contact page. You can add your contact information, you can add your email, your phone number, and any other details. So let me show you how to edit this page. So in order to edit this page, simply click on the edit with Elementor button right here, and then in here you will see you have these details. You can edit these details, you can change this image from here, you can change your address from here, and you can also change the phone number from here as well. You can also change this form if you want, but I think I want to keep this form. Here you can see it is saying contact form shortcode. So right here you can add your own contact form shortcode if you want to create, but I think this form looks fine, so I'm not going to change this form. So actually this is how you can create a cleaning company website quite easily. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to get latest update. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.